Hello everybody, welcome back to Jane's Medieval Kitchen. Today we're going to make fried orange fritters. So to start with, I've got the oranges here that I've already peeled and broken down into segments. I'm going to put them into a bowl first, and over the top I'm going to put some brown sugar and some spices. I'm just going to put a little bit of sugar in there and coat them, and then the spices. And we're using a little bit of nutmeg today, cinnamon, and mace. Okay, right, so we're just going to coat those oranges in all those lovely spices and the sugar there. Just put that to one side. I just wash my hands. Now, sorry. Now we're going to make a batter. So we're going to start off with some flour and an egg. And we're going to add just a little bit of salt to that as well. Just about 1/4 teaspoon of salt in there. Now I'm going to use the buttermilk from the butter we made from the last demonstration to make that into a batter. And we need a nice thick batter today to coat the oranges. Just whisk that all up. More milk. Now I've already got the pan on the fire here, so we've got the oil's nice and hot in there. You need to be able to have nice hot oil to fry them, get them nice and crispy. A little bit more milk. And we're not adding any sugar or anything else to the batter, because what we're going to do is when they're cooked, we're going to dip them in sugar as well with a bit of cinnamon in it. That should be about right. Nice smooth batter there. As you can see, nice smooth batter there. So right, we're just going to take the oranges one at a time, dip them in the batter, and pop them straight in the pan. We don't want to put too much batter on them, just enough to coat. I'm missing my assistant today. Lexi decided not to join us. I smell lovely already. You can get the smell of those spices in the air. I'm just going to fill this frying pan right up with all these lovely orange segments, and then we'll turn them over. One more in there. I think that should do us. Oops, one more. I'm just going to turn these over. They look as though they've cooked pretty quickly. Oh, lovely and golden brown, some of these. Sticking together a little bit. Turn that over. what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a plate and prepare some sugar with some cinnamon in it for dipping in when we take them out. So I've just got some light brown sugar here, and we're just going to take our cinnamon and just sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon into the sugar. First ones are nearly ready. A bit more. Don't just turn them off on their ends as well. So we've got all three sides nicely fried there. Okay, those first ones are ready now, so I'm just going to take them out, just pop them into the sugar, just coat them, and put them on a plate. Well, there we go. So there you go. There you have your orange fritters. Thank you for watching today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.